Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Meditate, Motivate, Music, Fun. Today we are going to talk about what kind of solutions we see when we face any kind of problem, whether it is mental trauma, whether it is stress, or maybe physical problems of fatigue, lethargy, or unproductivity. So, what kind of advices we really look forward to? We at least search for some kind of solution that at least could give us peace of mind or maybe can convince us that okay, this is going to work for me. I would also like to prefer maybe some personal trainer or counselor who could not only ask me valid kind of questions to understand my issues or problems, but after listening that he should be very meticulously designing a personalized solution to address my problem when I will feel that nobody is there to help me or I'm alone. So if you have similar kind of issues or if you are facing similar kind of situation, so guys, I'm here to help you with my video. So today here I'm going to review one such meditation app which not only offers one full year of free membership but also a very personalized meditation plan, no matter if you're a beginner or a pro in this. Some of you have already rightly guessed it. Yes, it is Balance Meditation app, and for that, how to proceed further, let's get started. For that, in our app store, we need to search for Balance Meditation app. Once that is there, you need to download it in your system or iOS, it is available. Once you downloaded it, the first page looks like this, and we will be clicking on Get Started. They would be providing you one full year of free membership, and post which the amount will automatically get deducted from your card. So you have an option. If you do not want to proceed further for paid membership, you need to opt out before it completes 1 year. So that is the option they are giving. Now the sign up is done. I will put my name here, Zen, and then probably answer few questions to help the app for meditation plan for me. Those questions would include what are my goals. I may select reduce stress, and then I need to prioritize my goals. Then I would be looking how often I would be stressed and what are the experiences I face when I'm stressed, and then what would be probable causes of stress in my life, and then my age. Now select for if you are new to meditation or you have already done it or you meditate occasionally, then probable time which you would prefer, like morning, evening or afternoon, based on which the reminder would be set by the app, which is one of the best feature as it not only help you meditate but also help you to make it a habit. Once you select the good time for reminder, it is now going forward to make the most awaited plan for us, that is Zen's foundation plan. Let us enter into the plan and see what's in there for us. This plan is designed to teach us the basics of meditation and to focus on the goals which we have set for ourselves in the starting of this app. It will also help us to see how starting journey of a meditation would be and some few tips of how to make it effective with each passing day. It says it's normal to feel distracted at first sight, and then slowly you will learn how to get pace with it.
Hello, and welcome to your first guided meditation with Balance, and the first in your personalized foundations plan. My name is Ofosu Jones-Corte, and I'll be your coach. Before we begin, take a moment to give yourself some credit for just getting started with meditation. The skills I'll teach you can really enhance and improve your life. Okay.
As soon as you complete your meditation plan for the day, it will generate a report giving you your statistics, what you are good at and what you need to focus more. And then it would be creating your second day's plan. Likewise, each day you will be getting a good plan for yourself to excel this meditation skill. It not only has this feature, it has numerous other features to work on each part of your mind, body and soul. You can scroll up in the app and you'll find numerous options based on the problems or the issues which you are facing. I think it's one of the wonderful app which not only gives you meditation plan but also end to end life, body and soul transformation.